Welcome to Eyeway. We are augmented reality company. What we develop here is the next generation of augmented reality architecture and platform. Let's go, I'll show you the labs. Lots of labs that in each lab we develop a certain kind of aspect of this technology which fold into the architecture of the general devices. This is an eye tracking performance testing lab. This setup here, the user is sitting on the station, and behind the camera there is a screen that shows various stimuli, and we assess the accuracy of our eye tracker. On this setup here, what we have, the user is sitting here, and we assess various distances and focusing and the understanding of the attention of the user while they are fixating on various distances in depths. This is hardware department. Here we develop all the electronics that are required to drive the system, which includes the projection, the eye tracking, and the graphical pipeline. This is where we build our prototypes. In order to build those, we have a lot of optics that are built inside the clean environments. Because the size of the devices is very small, we have to maintain absolute cleanliness. So this is the laminary flow cabinets that we assemble the components. They go from the first stage of preparation of the components themselves to the assembly and to calibration of these components. Eventually all the components are going through the calibration, and later they are going for the integration as a system as a whole. When the device is assembled, we need to calibrate it. So in this laboratory, what we do is a color and geometry calibration. In order to do this is a setup that we can assemble the color calibration, which we do with a spectrometer and a camera. Another area where we develop the real-time control algorithms for the eye tracking. Let's go, I'll show you around. This is a control laboratory. Here we have one of the early phases of eye tracking development. This is actually the first time that we have developed an eye tracker module that follows completely the optical axis of the eye. Unlike regular systems which rely on the camera frame rate, this system is sampling the eye position 20,000 times a second. Its resolution in angle is 1 arc minute, which is the natural resolution of the eye, and its accuracy or time to response is less than 2 milliseconds. Basically allowing it to be zero latency system for the user, because the beam never actually leaves the pupil of the eye. This generation we have moved to the next generation. This, what you see here, is a headset, which will demonstrate to you how it's tracking the user's eye. And basically this is the current generation of the devices. What is important to notice is that these devices are already at the level that we can say that they are completely operational for any user, because it tracks not the external part of the eye but the internal part, which is essentially the same for all human eyes. So